It's been a minute since we've hit the local mall. Starting with this JD Sports. And I did see the latest release. These are the latest release. And these did come out in men's sizes, which is definitely interesting. These KDs have been here forever at most stores, and yeah, they're under $100 now. I would have thought they'd be a little bit more on sale. We got the LeBron 23s, 20% off of these bad boys. I feel like all the LeBrons have been on sale lately. Luka 5s right here on sale. So these are the 5s, and then these are the 4s. Got both of them on sale. I think this would be even cheaper, to be honest, though. I got their sale slash last size section right here. This is the men's. Got some Forces on here. Jordans go for 100. Reeboks have been very well priced. Club C's go for almost 50% off. Some classic nylons. Got some men's Jordan 3s right here. That's the last size of the 8s. Not on sale though. Not on sale. We've seen them on sale some spots. But yeah, kind of how JD's been not the craziest sales. Like starting to see some stuff on sale, but not crazy. Here's the Vomero Plus. That's actually a pretty good colorway too. And next stop right here. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is why I've missed a few days in there, because like I don't know, it seems like the same stuff everywhere. The grade school and women's, we've had some decent sales. Like these shocks right here. I think these are grade school. These are grade school. And then seeing some smaller sales here and there. I guess $70 off isn't like the smallest sale. I don't know, I guess I'm just used to huge discounts. So these are Nova Blast. Yeah, the Nova Blast 150 down to 130. But yeah, they got some sales. I do feel like the Nike outlets. I'm gonna try the clearance store too. But I feel like those stores do tend to have like slightly better discounts with some stuff. At least some more interesting stuff, not just like the same thing over and over. Like I said, that's why I haven't had a video every day, because just not as much interesting stuff to show. But are you guys running out and buying these? Like what dudes are like running out and buying shoes for Easter? I don't know, just seems a little, I don't know, misguided. I don't know, but $215 for those. I like the tumbled leather, but everything else a little too much. I don't mind like one pastel color at a time, but like a bunch, I don't know, a little too much. Still got the 14s, the 9s, 6s. They got quite a few things. They came out with some Easter mids as well, like similar leather. The leather's actually really nice on these. Actually, love that leather. It's definitely an SE. Yeah, 140 for these, but just the color, a little too much. And then in the women's, yeah, we've been seeing more and more of the Vomeros go on sale. Hopefully they go down even further. These are the Vomero Plus right here. Men's section, they do have a few of the Vomeros on sale. The 18s right here. And then this is the last one for 130. Not bad. Oh no, there's one right here too. I guess it's not bad. It's not bad. Only, what, 25 off? 25 off for those, but better than nothing. Still being patient, and I've heard of those being available at the clearance store, so maybe I'll go check them out. No, but yeah, you got the Forrest Gump Cortez right there. Okay, we got our Chic right here. This is a spot I really want to check out. They did come out with the University Blue Foamposite Pros right here. First University Blue in quite some time, and this is a Pro because it does have the Nike swoosh right there. They're still going for $240. Give Nike credit, they haven't really gone up much at all. They haven't gone up actually in quite some time. They've been at $240 forever, it feels like. But yeah, still quite a bit. And then everybody's pushing these because that's the latest release. And they threw a Nike. I just realized they threw that Niki Air on the back. Really? On a non-OG Easter release? They haven't brought back that extra 25% off in a while. I want to say it's been about a month, which is crazy because they had it forever before. Not seen crazy sales, so we'll check out some Jordans that we've never seen before. Got these lows right here. Tons of canvas on it. Kind of interesting sewn in texture on the side panel right here. Pretty interesting. $130 for those bad boys. Yeah, we've seen these, and I don't know who's gonna grab these. At the Lakers lows right here, patent leather, $130. Looks like they got some 13s, the taxi 12s right there. They got the 3s that we've seen on sale almost everywhere now. And then the pink 5s, it looks like that's pretty much their retro selection. Other than the ones over here, they do still have the Chicago Reimagined right there. And then what else? Not much else, to be honest. I got the Luca 77s on sale right here. I don't think I've seen this one, have I? We're seeing different colors, or I don't know, maybe this is the one that we've seen. They got a red and white one right there as well. And the Luca 5s on sale here as well, I guess. Yes, stuff just hasn't been moving. I don't think a lot of stuff's been moving. We've seen this 7-7 colorway right here, and then we got the Tatums, the Tatum 4s, right? These are the 4s. A couple different colorways. That's a wild color. Like, what are you gonna match that with? That's the thing. And then what's up with these long sleeves with the collar? It's like almost like a sweatshirt. It's so thick, it's almost like a sweatshirt. It does have a collar. It is a 14, Jordan 14 matching shirt right here. This regular price because it's somewhat newer. $125. $125 for these. That's why you see me checking out apparel at the clearance store, as well as the outlets, pretty much. And then they got this Trunner right here down to $60. $60. People told me how comfortable they are. It's almost 50% off. Look in the grade school. Look at this. Look at this 0.77 Luca right here. Or Luca 77, my bad. The Luca 77's right here, $40. Luca 77 for $40 freaking dollars. We've been seeing those tech challengers on sale. You guys saw these. What was it? 35? Was it this colorway? I think it was this colorway for 35, right? Camarillo. Some of you guys have to grab those. Got a plethora of forces. These are all the forces right here. And then even more dunks. More and more dunks. Holy crap. And we see some of the newer releases on sale. So I feel like these came out, maybe 2 months ago at the longest? These ain't been out that long. This is the one that came out after these and these. These are the latest ones, $130. And it feels like a burlap sack type of material. Actually, it's softer though, so maybe yarn? Is it made out of, I don't know. It's woven somehow. Not somehow, but with some material. But I think this is the rest of their Nikes. No, they still got quite a few of these Cortez right here. $65 for the Forrest Gumps right here. I think that's $10 less than it was downstairs at Champs, right? That was Champs, I think. And they did have those Vomeros. I think, I want to say it was like $100. It was $100, and I was waiting for the 20% off sale, and yeah, it's gone. It's sold. I think it might have been $80. Might have been $80. I'm curious now. I'm gonna have to go through my prior footage. Yo, look at this. $75 for these bad boys right here. Holy crap, is this the cheapest we've seen the Vomero 18s? Maybe this is a women's right here. So even without that extra 20% off, they do tend to have better price here than most other spots. And just be patient, because I don't really need that much more. If any, I really don't need anything right now. So I'm trying to be a little more patient. Last time I came here, I almost skipped this Foot Locker right here, but they had the 40-20s. They also had some other things. I don't know, but a bunch of you guys were able to pick those up. I think those 40-20s had tons of resale. I think so. So I think some of you guys picked those up. I don't know. There was one other thing. I'm trying to remember what it was, but there were two things here that were real interesting. Oh, was it the 5s? Was it the 5s? I think it was the Wolf Crate 5s. I think it was. These are all the Jordan retros. They still got the 40-20s. I'm surprised. I did hear from a couple of guys that were able to pick these up, and these did have resale. I don't know if they were sold, but they were all listed like pretty freaking high. But it is a Jordan 40. It does have one of these bad boys on it. Pretty freaking dope. And they do have the Shies. I forgot. Someone in the comment section said, hey, they contacted one of the spots that had these, and they all sold out. I think it was the Lakewood trip a while back or something, but these have been selling out like crazy apparently. Yeah, 130. Do have laces underneath. That black one is the only colorway here. They got the GT Future here as well. AKA Wembies? Are we calling these Wembies? I don't know. But do got these for $2. And then I have been kind of talking trash about the MB, what are these, the 5s? The MB5s and like who it's marketed towards. And then they come out with the Fast and the Furious. Like, I don't know. I still don't understand. I still do not understand who these are marketed towards. I don't really get it. That's probably why they're on sale. I think this one's a little bit better, but still, I don't know. At least it doesn't have a strap and stuff, but still a little bit weird. Like this stuff right here. Like who is that marketed towards? Definitely not the grown men. I don't know. Not even teenagers. How many teenage boys are gonna grab something like that? I guess he does paint his nails and stuff, so I guess he's not the most mainstream dude. I don't know. They got a few things on. No crazy sales. And one thing I did see, 50% off. They have Alpha Industries, New Era, Alpha Industries. This is a XL Buffalo Bills jacket right here. These are freaking dope. 250, so 125. Has so many different patches on them. Nothing on the back though. When I saw that Dallas Cowboys on, I thought it was interesting that there was nothing on the back. But yeah, 250 for those. And they got like some Jordan hoodies and stuff, but nothing crazy to be honest. They had some shorts. I would look at them for my kiddo. I need to grab my kiddo some shorts, but no, they just got these sweats. I call them longs. They're long pants. Yes, we got a couple more stores, but we did hit up a Shoe Palace yesterday, and it's very, very similar here as to Burbank. Try not to show you guys the exact same things. You got the Mafate Speeds right here. The Mafate Speed 2s, right? Got a couple different colorways. $100. These retail for like $180 or something like that usually. The Rincons, I don't know much about those. The Clifton 9s right here. Also the Clifton 10s. Both of these are $120. There's supposed to be a huge difference in midsole. They upgraded the compound on that one. And the Bondi 9s. This is their max cushion shoe. Not super soft though, but supposedly they did change the compound on this one as well. But yeah, $120 for those. Normally like I want to say like they think these ones are like $175 now or something. They're crazy high. One of the ones at Burbank, they were marked $20, so I guess they're $30 because that's what they're marked. And then you got these right here, the V5 runners go for $60. Like I said, a lot of this stuff is the same. $150 here. Air Maxes, these were $100 or $130. I thought they were $100 over there. Maybe it's a different colorway. $80 here. I think we just saw those for a little bit more, right? Where was that? I think that was JD Sports. But yeah, pretty solid deals. You got the Foam Positive Pros here now. Pretty decent selection. Almost forgot to show you guys what I'm wearing. Do got me some mochas on. It is warm as hell, so pretty much wearing summer apparel. But yeah, do got mocha 3s on. Still pretty clean. The toe box or the toe guard right there, you can tell it's yellowed a little bit, but for the most part, super clean. Jeans and the t-shirt. Yes, I could do that oxidation thing, but man, am I really gonna spend that much time on it? Man, I got stuff to do, man. Probably would look dope with it though. We'll see. And last store we got Skate Shop Borders. And look at all the SB Dunks they have. Holy crap. Holy cow. And I just noticed this is the first time I've ever seen SB Dunks on sale. Wow. First time ever. 30% off, so under $100. They have a size 10 and a size 13. These green apple ones. Also these right here. What is a candy corn? Candy corn. These 8.5 been here forever. 40% off. 40% off. First time we've seen these on sale. This is pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. I don't see. Oh, fell off inside. It looks like 20% off these bad boys right here. $145. I think this is last size, right? Last size. Yeah, last size 13. Yo, did these come out? These look crazy fire, dude. These are dope. These are hella dope. Kind of a worn look on the Nike logo. Wheat color leather on these. These are freaking dope. I like these. A little bit of flavor on the lining right there. That also matches the laces. These are freaking dope, dude. These are dope. These are one of the newest ones. So what's the regular price? $130. $130 is the going price. I didn't know these just released like a week ago. I didn't know that. This one I hadn't seen before last week. I haven't seen these. Football ones have been here for a minute. This colorway is pretty wild, as well as this one right here. And this one is from Verdugo, apparently. Kind of interesting. That's a wild color. If you want some plain ones, these are for you. Do like the gum outsole as well. They got one last size 13. And these green, I think this is the one I saw in Korea, right? Yeah, the last one, size 8. They also got these forums. And these forums at the skate shops, they seem different. I don't know if they're Forum 84s. Yep, Forum 84s. These are 50% off. $100, not bad. These Forum 84s, I swear, it's like the SB Dunks where the material's just so much better, so much more durable, it seems like. 50% off, 110. And this location has a ton of stuff on sale. Janowski's 50% off. Obviously, sizing definitely going to be an issue, but if you like skate shoes, this spot is freaking dope, especially with other sales. Got all kinds of Vans they're getting rid of for 50 off, as well as these Lakai Pacifico collabs right here. These are going for 50% off. These are size 10 right here. Telford lows right here. I am a fan of these. Got a dunk look to them. Definitely think these are fire. Color's not bad. $90, 50% off, so $45 for those. Got New Balances right here. Why do these 574s look so different? They are 574s, but they look so different. These are going for 50% off, 90. They got Chucks right here. Chucks going for sale. They got Cons, old school ones, but plenty to look at. 10s right here. These are 50 off, but plenty to look at if you like skate shoes, you guys.